If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Okay, here's a before. It's about a foot tall, and then up to about 3 feet tall right through there. There's still standing water over here. Pretty wet still. But we got to get some air and some sunlight down here, even if we have to kind of mow through this swampy stuff. This is what the other side of the campsite looks like after the mow. Hopefully that dries out. There's also another big wet spot right there that's pretty deep. See if I can get that later. Someone decided to dump in their campsite a T-post, and I just hit it with the mower. Awesome. Gotta love that. Mower's fine, but blades probably have a little ding in them, but oh well. Campground's mowed. Just need to move picnic tables back and string trim. The Kubota's doing what it does best, sitting. Let's go check out the boat landing, which is down this direction, and it's on the Mississippi River. So this is an area called Big Timber, which is kind of a set of small islands on the Mississippi River here. So Illinois is right here. And it's got all these cool dead trees. And all this area in front of me here is part of Mark Twain National Wildlife Refuge. And this is a flood control levee for the Mississippi. And everything west of here. And it stretches for miles and miles. Still got a mini pond right here, unfortunately. Good as it's gonna get now. Alright, this campground was flooded most of the summer. We did an initial cut. And now we've got all this clippings just piled up. Probably about a foot thick here. Just giant piles of clippings. It's probably 2 feet right there. And we're gonna blow it all to that tall grass over there. This right here, this levee behind that is the Mississippi River. The floodwaters did not come over the top of the levee, but this campground gets flooded by seep water from groundwater coming up, the water table rising because of the flooding. And so this campground was closed pretty much all summer long. We did the initial cut, and now it's time to clean up all this duff from the clippings. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for my next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.